Denarii DFi, building the future of Xrpl. One creator at a time. This is more than a project, more than a payment system, more than a builder tool. Denarii DFi is a movement, a platform, and soon, a core pillar of the Xrpl's next era. This is where ideas become apps, builders become leaders, innovation becomes accessible, payments become effortless, Xrpl becomes unstoppable. Investors who understand infrastructure understand Denarii DFi. Because this is how ecosystems grow. This is how platforms scale. This is how digital economies evolve. And Denarii DFi is leading that evolution. Denarii DFi, monetization, token value, and revenue flywheel. Denarii DFi is not just an ecosystem. It is a self-reinforcing revenue engine designed for long-term sustainability and aggressive growth. Here is the full breakdown. 1. Multi-layered monetization model. Denarii unlocks an evolving revenue stream from multiple sources, micropayments. Every AI action, app template, or Xrpl payment interaction can trigger small DFI-powered fees. App marketplace revenue. Creators can sell apps, templates, branding packs, and modules. Denarii earns from commissions, listing fees, featured placements, DFI-powered subscriptions. Users can unlock advanced AI tools, larger app deployments, exclusive modules, VIP creator tools, Xrpl, payment processing. Every app using DFI payments generates volume utility, staking benefits, transactional demand, B2B, white label solutions. Denarii DFi can be licensed by token projects, Web3 startups, agencies, metaverse builders, indie dev studios. White labeling equals massive scalability. Sponsored innovation programs. Builders get showcased, and projects pay for. Branding exposure hackathons, educational series. 2. Token utility. The engine of value. The DFi token is the beating heart of the system, powering AI access credits used in AI Studio and the Idea Generator. Xrpl payments, enabling instant microtransactions. Builder rewards. Creators earn DFi for deploying apps. Marketplace currency, used for buying modules, templates, branding assets. Governance. DFi holders. Shape. Feature priorities, ecosystem direction, tool expansion, staking and AMP. Yield. Long-term holders. Gain. Early tool access revenue shares. If enabled later, priority support. As app volume grows, DFi demand increases, driving natural price appreciation. 3. Competitive positioning. Denarii's strategic moat. Denarii's advantages are powerful and durable. A. First mover advantage on Xrpl. There is no other complete Xrpl builder ecosystem offering AI plus deployment plus payments. B. Zero barriers development. Anyone can build. No coding, no hosting fees, no setup. C. AI automation. AI reduces development time from weeks, hours, minutes. D. Cross-project collaboration. Builders from any Xrpl community gain tools, templates, payment plugins, integration standards. It unifies the chain. E. Infinite creativity loop. Every user can generate ideas, build apps, deploy apps, earn from apps, create new ideas. This cycle makes Denarii self-expanding. 4. Market size and AMP. Growth potential. Denarii DFi taps into $3 trillion markets. AI, software market, projected to exceed $1.8 trillion by 2030. Web3 developer tools, expected 14M+ developers by 2032. Metaverse. Creator economy, estimated $5 trillion by 2030. Denarii sits at the intersection of AI, Web3, Xrpl finance, metaverse tooling, creator productivity. This synergy gives it colossal market potential. 5. Growth forecast. Investor snapshot. Using a conservative projection. Year 1, 10 to 40 apps deployed, 1K 5K builders, 20K, 100K monthly visitors, high volume AI tool usage. Year 2, 100 plus apps, 10K plus developers, marketplace revenue activates, multiple Xrpl partner integrations. Year 3, Expansion outside XRPL multi-chain connectivity, 500 plus apps, monetization maturity, institutional attention, creator brand economy in full swing. 6. The XRPL advantage. Why Denarii is unstoppable. Here XRPL gives Denarii unmatched capabilities. Speed transactions settle in 2 to 4 seconds. Perfect for app micropayments. Low cost fees are almost zero, enabling playful creativity without penalty. Security battle-tested for over a decade. Community culture, highly supportive builder environment. Tooling with hooks, AMMs, sidechains, and upcoming features, XRPL is entering its golden era. Denarii rides that wave perfectly. 7. Showcasing the first flagship app, the Idea Generator. This app is Denarii's proof of excellence. Available now at https://Denarii-app-ideas. Netlify app, why it matters. Shows the AI workflow, demonstrates zero-cost deployments, allows any user to birth app concepts in seconds, converts ideas into actionable project outlines, proves Denarii's builder-friendly design, establishes user confidence, serves as the foundation for a full AI studio suite. The Idea Generator is the hello world of Denarii, and it is already impressive enough to stand alone as a full product. With the ecosystem backing it, it becomes legendary. 8. Why investors should pay attention now. Denarii DFi is positioned for early-stage growth, multi-category disruption, proven technical execution, AI plus XRPL synergy, infinite scalability, high community engagement, low acquisition costs, high lifetime value, global accessibility. This is the kind of project that evolves into a tool ecosystem, a developer marketplace, a Web3 startup incubator, an AI-driven metaverse platform. Investors rarely see this level of multi-utility alignment so early. The future of Denarii DFi, a new standard for Web3 building. We are witnessing the birth of a new development paradigm, a platform for idea to deployment creation, a cross-project XRPL builder hub, a training ground for future Web3 developers, a metaverse economy built on real tools, a token with real expanding utility. This is Denarii DFi. This is the future of XRPL innovation. And this is only the beginning. Risk mitigation and AMP. Stability strategy. Investors want to know, how do you minimize risk and maintain long-term resilience? Denarii DFi has clear answers. Infrastructure redundancy. Front-end, deployable across Netlify, Vercel, Cloudflare pages. Multi-host redundancy. Back-end, deployable using Google Anti-Gravity, with mirrored environments, AI microservices balanced across multiple providers, OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, whichever the user chooses. Low operational costs. AI computation is the costliest aspect of modern apps. Denarii DFi avoids this by offloading compute to Google AI Studio, storing minimal backend data, using XRPL for payment rails, cheap plus fast, using serverless environments only when active. This makes Denarii DFi extremely cost-efficient, even at scale. Open ecosystem for builders. No single point of failure. Creators can fork, clone, or customize their apps. Templates exported, project folders downloadable, deployable anywhere. This decentralization protects the entire ecosystem. Transparent. Token economy. No complex tokenomics. No risky Ponzinomics. No forced inflation. Everything is simple and utility-driven. Community-driven development. XRPL builders choose what gets built next, making Denarii DFi agile and adaptive. 10. The Denarii DFi technology stack. Future-proofed. Here is the long-term technical vision investors love. Core stack AI generation. Google AI Studio backend. Logic, Google Anti-Gravity frontend. React, TS, Tailwind. Gemini deployment. Netlify, zero cost. Payments. XRPL, DFi token integration, authentication. Xamen, XUMM, wallet database, optional. Cloud Firestore, Supabase, microservices. Stateless cloud functions, planned expansions, multi-chain support. XRPL, ETH, SUI, Corium, AI Flow Designer, drag and drop automation, Smart contract templates, hooks, sidechains, metaverse. SDK for XRPL, 3D environments, app monetization, plugin, NFT asset generator. Gemini powered. This is why Denarii DFi stands out. It is modular, expandable, and built on robust cloud infrastructure. 11. Competitive threats and AMP. Why Denarii wins. Here's where most investors lean in. The who can beat you moment. Threat category A. AI, no-code builders, tools like Bubble Softer App, Guyver Glide Webflow. Weakness. None of them integrate XRPL natively. None of them train people to use XRPL. None of them offer wallet connection modules. None of them support microtransactions or token-based rewards. Denarii DFi is the only XRPL native AI builder. Threat category B. On-chain dev tools, projects like Sologenic Corium's Dev Suite, XRPL, hooks, Sandbox. Weakness. Great for devs, not usable for beginners. Denarii DFi is for everyone, from idea to deployment. Threat category C. AI. Prompt builders. Generic idea generators exist, but none turn ideas, code, deploy, XRPL payments in one seamless pipeline. Denarii has zero competition in its niche. 12. Market penetration strategy. Here's exactly how Denarii will expand across XRPL and beyond. Phase 1. Educate and AMP. Attract, how to build apps with AI on XRPL. Tutorials, app builder search traffic from Google. XRPL builder communities, daily prompts and AMP. Templates on social media, partnerships with XRPL tokens. Phase 2. Empower and AMP. Showcase launch. User-built apps, daily featured creator marketplace launching, open-source templates, XRPL app hackathons. Phase 3. Monetize and AMP. Scale, creator marketplace, branded. XRPL wallet tools, paid modules, B2B integrations, cross-chain deployment. 13. Team and AMP. Leadership positioning. Even if you're currently a solo founder, here's how to position the leadership advantage. Clear founder narrative. You've built dozens of apps for XRPL, built game flows, Web3 liquid reward systems, AI-powered tools, automated payment processors, Xamarin integrations, and multi-site deployments. This proves technical expertise, long-term commitment, real builder history, product, heavy orientation, early team vision investors. Look for clarity. AI developer, XRPL, smart contract dev, UX designer, community manager, partnership director. The early structure signals future scalability. 14. Global expansion and AMP, cross-chain metaverse. Vision. Here's the big, bold future investors want to hear. Denarii will evolve into a multi-chain app builder where XRPL is the foundation, but creators can deploy to other ecosystems. A metaverse app studio, allowing creators to generate virtual worlds, hubs, and XR playgrounds tied to XRPL. A Web3 creator economy, powered by DFi microtransactions, in-app marketplaces, tokenized revenue splits, automatically deployed apps, a cross-project XRPL development hub. Builders from any XRPL token can create branded apps, dashboards, mini-games, metaverse assets, payment tools. This creates ecosystem-level dominance. 15. Exit strategy. The investor endgame vision. This is crucial. Denarii DFi offers multiple exit pathways. A. Acquisition by a major chain or wallet, XRPL, Corium, Sologenic, or even Xamarin could acquire Denarii to boost their developer offerings. B. Integration into a major AI ecosystem. Google, OpenAI, or Anthropic could acquire Denarii for XR integration, Web3 tooling no-code deployment pipelines. C. Becoming the WordPress of Web3. A long-term independent ecosystem dominating no-code Web3 with subscription-based revenue and global footprint. D. Token appreciation exit. DFi token value grows as utility expands, giving investors liquid upside. Final summary. The Denarii DFi investment thesis. Denarii DFi is the first XRPL native AI app builder, a no-cost, no-code deployment ecosystem, a payment processor powered by Xrpl, a metaverse-ready platform, a builder training tool, a token with real value creation, a platform ready for exponential growth. Denarii DFi is positioned to disrupt Web3 building, unite XRPL communities, create thousands of apps, train the next generation of XRPL builders, become a multi-chain no-code leader, offer investors massive early leverage. Denarii DFi is early enough to invest, strong enough to scale, big enough to change Web3.